Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to share with y'all my home remodeling business plan template. Pretty much just want to show you some of the highlights of the template. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, we'll dive into the home remodeling business plan template highlights, show y'all what sections are included, and after that, we'll wrap it up and call it a day. All right, without further ado, let's go ahead and move right along. As promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate, MBA, as well as owner of Quality Business Plan and Quality Business Consultant. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement, trials and tribulations, growth opportunities of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me email. My contact information is right here. I would be delighted to write a business plan for you. I am also a published author on Amazon.com. Check out some of my books there. They're focused on business plan writing, as well as understanding financial statements. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So if you do need some help with those pesky financial projections, business plans ready to go, but those numbers are keeping you up at night, I'd be delighted to do your financial projections for you. Again, pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to help. All right, enough with the infomercials. Now let's go ahead and let me introduce y'all to the star of the show, which is my home remodeling business plan template. So as promised, like I said, we're going to zip through this real quick, show y'all what sections are included, and go from there. All right, so when you do purchase my home remodeling business plan template, it does come with two documents, a Word document as well as an Excel file. So when you open up the Word document, you're going to be greeted with the title page, which is this right here. The next section is going to be your table of contents. Just list all the various sections within the business plan as well as the numbers. Third page is going to be the executive summary. In the executive summary, anywhere you see yellow, I recommend you go ahead and put your information in there. And the executive summary is summarized into the remodeling summary, target market, financial highlights, funding request. Fourth page is going to be our company description. In the company description, again, anywhere you see the yellow, you can go ahead and add your information. This is an editable document, so you can, again, expand it, make it yours, add, subtract, multiply, and divide. The company section is broken into the remodeling section, remodeling summary, popular products or services, competitive advantage. It's got the primary target market, pricing strategy, hours of operation section. It's got a location section and then a business objectives and timeline section as well. Page number 6 is going to have your industry research. I already did your industry research. I retrieved the information from IBIS World. They are an industry leader in, industry research. And so this section is going to include a brief overview and then some statistics about the industry in reference to revenues, profits, profit margins, and so on. Next section is going to be your SWOT analysis, your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Strength, weaknesses, opportunities, and threat. In order to make changes to the Smart Art, you're just going to click on it, click on the little arrow, and then a Smart Art text box is going to open up for you. Page number 8 is going to be your organizational structure, which is broken into the ownership section and the organizational chart section to make changes to the organizational chart. Again, Smart Art, you click on it, you click on the arrow, and boom, you can make your changes in that text box. Page number 9 is going to be your marketing section. In your marketing section, I break it into 3 marketing channels, which is typical to the home remodeling industry, and that would be your traditional marketing, your internet marketing, and your social media marketing. Page number 10 is going to have your funding request, how much money do you need to get the party started, the terms of the loan, and so on. Financial projections, they do come from my financial model, and I'll go ahead and introduce you all to the financial model in just one second. And the financial profit and loss is broken into, for the first year, it's broken up month to month. So month 1 through 3, quarter 1, month 4 through 6, quarter 2, month 7 through 9, quarter 3, month 10 through 12, quarter 4. And then also, finally, we do have the pro forma income statement, and the income statement is from year 1 through year 5. And so here is the financial model. So the financial model is the second document that does come with my business plan template. And on this document, you've got 4 tabs: the information page, projections, profit and loss, and income statement. Anywhere you see the darker colored cells, that's where you put your information. And the categories here, it's going to be your daily sales, your labor, startup cost, monthly fixed cost, miscellaneous information, some growth rates, and then your loan information. You make your changes there, and then it updates into your profit and loss projections here, and then your income statement here. And once you're done updating it, you just copy these forms right here. You just copy this, and you paste it right into your Word document. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out and make a little bit of money and have a great day. Thank you.